Ever wondered how much that first paycheck is actually going to hit your bank account after Beforepay takes their cut? You're not alone. Let's break down exactly what happens to your hard-earned cash when you use Beforepay for the first time. Beforepay is a popular option for those who need a little extra cash before payday. It allows you to access a portion of your earned wages early. But, like any financial service, there are costs involved. Understanding these costs is crucial to making an informed decision about whether or not Beforepay is the right choice for you. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How much does Beforepay actually take for that initial payment? Beforepay charges a flat fee for each advance. This fee varies depending on the amount you're borrowing and your employer. There might also be other fees associated with using Beforepay, such as late fees or fees for missed payments. It's important to carefully review the terms and conditions of your Beforepay account to fully understand all the fees that may apply. Several factors can influence the amount Beforepay charges for your first payment. The amount of your advance, generally, larger advances will incur higher fees. Your employer. Some employers have partnerships with Beforepay, which may result in lower fees for their employees. Your credit history. While Beforepay may not conduct a traditional credit check, your employment history and payment history with Beforepay can influence the fees you're offered. Pro tip: use the Beforepay fee calculator on their website to get an estimate of the fees you'll be charged for a specific advance amount. Let's try to illustrate this with a hypothetical example. Imagine your typical paycheck is $1,000. You decide to use Beforepay to access $500 before payday. Let's assume Beforepay charges a flat fee of $10 for this advance. In this scenario, you would receive $490 in your bank account after the Beforepay fee is deducted. Important note, this is a simplified example, and the actual fees will vary depending on your individual circumstances. Transparency is key when it comes to financial services. Always read the fine print, carefully review the Beforepay terms and conditions before accepting any advances. Use the fee calculator. This tool can help you estimate the cost of your advance and make informed decisions. Contact Beforepay customer support. If you have any questions about fees or any other aspect of their service, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team. By understanding the fee structure and taking the necessary precautions, you can minimize unexpected costs and ensure that Beforepay is a financially responsible choice for you. While Beforepay can be a helpful solution for short-term cash flow needs, it's important to explore all your options. Consider alternatives like asking your employer for an advance. This may be a more affordable option, as some employers offer advances without any fees. Borrowing from friends or family. If possible, borrowing from trusted individuals can be a cheaper alternative to using a service like Beforepay. Building an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid the need for short-term loans in the future. Ultimately, the best option for you will depend on your individual financial situation and needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.